Good morning students, welcome to the online lecture of our class 4 maths. So let's start today's lecture and check. So first you have to guess the answer and then check the correct answer. For example, here look at the buckets, mugs, glasses and other things in your house. Guess how much water each can hold. Check if your guess is right by using your measuring bottle. So now first we have to guess the answer. For example, the mug. The mug can fill up to how much milliliter? First you have to guess. Okay, you have to write your answer in this box. And then with the measuring bottle, you have to check whether your answer or your guess is nearer to the correct measurement or not. So this activity you can do by your own self. This is one type of homework for you. You have to guess how much quantity can be filled up in the mug, glass and pot. Then with the help of measuring bottle, you have to check your guess is correct or not. The next is Neetu in hospital. So let's see the situation first. Firstly, one injection gives 5 ml of the medicine to your body. Doctor said one injection gives 5 ml of the medicine to your body. Neetu said, I am not afraid of injections. Now let's see what are the questions here. Neetu has to take 3 injections in a day for 5 days. So first, mark this. Neetu has to take 3 injections, right? 3 injections in a day. In one day, she has to take 3 injections. Okay. And that is for the 5 day. Continuously for the 5 day, she has to take injection. How much medicine will she need for one day? So we know one injection contains how much ml? 5 ml, right? We know that. So in one day she is taking 3 injections. So we have to just multiply 3 into 5, right? Which is equal to, yes, 3 5s are 15. So 15 ml medicine she will need for one day. The next is how much medicine in all for 5 days. So in one day she is taking how much ml? Yes, 15. And so for the 5 days she will take how much? 15 into 5, right? Okay. Moving further, how much do we use at a time? So here we have to see how much we are using that quantity at a time. For example, if we take an example of eye drops, we use less than 1 ml at a time. We only use 1 or 2 drops, right? 1 or 2 drops of eye drops for our eyes. That is less than 1 ml at a time. So here you have to make one list. For example, here you can write shampoo. So shampoo we use 5 to 6 ml at a time, right? For example, hair oil we use 10 ml at a time. So likewise there are some of the example. Least things we use more than 1 liter at a time. So firstly we have seen the quantity which are used less. Now we have to write the quantities which are used more than 1 liter at a time. So here one example is given, water for taking bath. Yes, we use approximately 15 to 16 liters of water for taking bath. The other example you can do it by your own self. You have to think which thing needed more than 1 liter at a time. Okay, moving further, practice time. So here we will be given some of the question answer and we will solve that. Amina's water bottle holds 1 liter of water. So Amina has one bottle which can hold 1 liter of water. She drank 250 ml of water. Okay, so from the 1 liter of bottle, she drank 250 ml of water. And her friend Govind drank 150 ml. So from 1 liter of bottle, two friends drank 250 ml of water and the other one 150 ml of water. How much water is left in a bottle? So your answer will be 1000 minus 250 minus 150 equals to 600 ml, right? The next is Yusuf runs a tea shop. For making a glass of tea, he used 20 ml of milk. Yesterday, he made 100 glasses of tea. How much milk did he use? So first, let's understand the question. Yusuf is a guy which is running a tea shop, which has a business of a tea. For making a glass of tea, he used 20 ml of milk. So, for one glass of tea, he used 20 ml of milk. Yesterday, he made 100 glass of tea. How much milk did he use? So, it is simple. We know that for one glass, if he used 20 ml, so for 100 glass, 20 into 100, right? Which is equal to 2000 ml. And if we have to write that answer into liters, then we will just divide it by 1000. 2000 divided by 1000, which is equal to 2 liters. The next question is, Radha's grandma was ill. The doctor gave her a bottle with 200 ml of medicine. She has to take the medicine every morning for 10 days. So Radha, grandmother, is ill. Now the doctor gave her a bottle of 200 ml of medicine, which he has to take the medicine every morning for 10 days. How many milliliters of medicine does she have to take every morning? So in total we have 200 ml of medicine which we have to use for 10 days. So each day how much amount we will use? So that will be 200 divided by 10. The total amount is 200 ml which we have to finish by 10 days. So for one day how much amount we have to use? That is 200 divided by 10, which is equal to 20 ml. Water. The table shows the water used in one day by a family of 5 people. They live in Gudalur village. So here one table is given in which the quantity of water used by the family is given. So first let's see which are the activity. The first activity is cooking and drinking. The next is washing clothes, cleaning pots, pans and bathing. So for cooking and drinking they use 30 liters of water. Each day they use 30 liters of water for cooking and drinking. For washing clothes they need 40 liters of water. Then for cleaning pots and pans they need 20 liters, and for bathing they need 75 liters. So total water used by them is 165 liters, right? You have to just sum it up. 30 plus 40 plus 20 plus 75, which is equal to 165 liters. So total water used by them is 165 liters. Chelanur village has a milk society. Geeta and Amini went there to buy 4 liters of milk, but the man could not find 1 liter measure. So here the scenario is, Chelanur is a village which has a milk society. Geeta and Amini are two friends. They want to buy 4 liters of milk, but the man couldn't find the 1 liter measure. Okay, we know what is 1 liter measure. Okay, the milkman use this type of measuring mugs, okay, of different capacity 1 liter, 3 liter, 5 liter. He had only a 3 liter and a 5 liter bottle with him. Okay. He could not find 1 liter measure bottle, but he had 3 liter and a 5 liter bottle with him. But he gave them exactly 4 liters of milk. So we have to give answer. How with the help of 3 liter and 5 liter bottle, he gave 4 liter of milk. Okay. So explain how he did this. So this type of question has many type of answer. Okay. You can give by your own self also. But here I am giving one type of answer. The man first measured 5 liters and then took out of 3 liters. Okay. So first he measured 5 liters of milk. Then from that 5 liters of milk, he removed 3 liters. Okay. Such that 5 minus 3 equals to 2 liters of milk. So 2 liters of milk was given to Geeta and Amini. The same process was repeated to get another 2 liters of milk. In this way, he was able to give them exactly 4 liters of milk. So this is one type of answer. The second answer can be possible that first he collected 10 liters. Okay, with the help of 5 liters bottle, he collected 10 liter. Okay, he used 2 times 5 liters of bottle. So total will be 10 liters. So now from that 10 liters, he removed 6 liters by using 3 liter bottle. Okay. From 10 liter, he first removed 3 liters. So remaining milk will be 7, right? And from that again he removed 3 liters of milk. So the remaining will be 4 liters. So in this type of question, many type of answer can be possible.